Clairvoyant energy healing, spiritual intuitive energy healing, is integrated spiritual alignment and the type of energy healing work I do. Sometimes you just feel off balance. Or like you are wearing too many hats. And that's a lot to carry around. Then you bump into other people. Seems like you are carrying all of them too. Energy healing in its simplest form is removing the energies that are not you and replacing them with the energy that is you. For the purposes of increasing your vitality, strengthening your mental capacity, and optimizing your health. It is bringing the body and the aura back into alignment with spirit. Increasing your enthusiasm for life. Balancing and restoring your body's natural energy field. Click the button below to create your appointment now.